Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir me sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashadsaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Viva Sampraktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenakshaраsamamnayam adhigamya maheshwarat kritsnam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaye namaha vakyakaram vararuchim bhashyakaram patanjalim paninim sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvina Vadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay. We are seeing Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta Shabdas. Ajanta Shabda. Only Pullinga. And Napumsakaliga we can say. Yes. Not Strilinga. In Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, no special rule apply. Rama plus Su or Hari plus Su or Guru plus Su. It is just what applies here. Su is Sakara, Sakara replaced by Ru is Visarga. Right?
Yeah.
What about Rikaranta Shabda? Pitru plus Su. What about Pitra plus Su?
Rukara is
There,
replaced by An.
we have seen for Rikaranta, we have a rule that you can see in here and all it's straightforward. Nothing happens. But Rikara, something special is there. That is Rikara when followed by
Asambuddhis.
Asambuddhisu, very specifically Asambuddhisu, right? Why Asambuddhisu? Because in Sambodhana it is a pitaha only. There is no a pita and all. Asambuddhisu, when followed by Supratyaya, which is not Sambuddhi, it means 1-1. When followed by that, you know what happens? It gets Rikara, gets an Adesha, which is an Adesha. It gets an Adesha. That is, Rikara is replaced by an. There's a rule. Rule leave it. Rule need not know. Just know this much. This is special for Rikara. Not only for Rikara, in fact, other Sakaranta Shabda and all we will see. All these things advanced class I have taken. Ushanas Shabda, Purudams Shabda, Hanehas Shabda, Sakarantaha, Anehas Shabdaha, Aneha. Similarly, Purudams, Sakarantaha, Purudamsa, Ushanasa, Ushana, Ushanasau, Ushanasaha, Sakaranta Shabdas. We are not seen, we will see. So in those Sakaranta also, the same rule applies. That is Rikaranta as well as those three Sakaranta Shabda. Don't worry about Sakaranta, you will see that later. Rikaranta, this is a rule. When followed by this Asambuddhi Su, Ru will be replaced by An. Ru will be replaced by An. Okay. So therefore, when it replaced by An, you get Pitan. Then Pitan followed by this Asambuddhi Su. What will happen? I explained in the last Paradirgatam, in the Rajan, Karin and all, we saw, right? That's a rule. When Charanamastana Pratyaya follows, and that is Asambuddhisu, Nakaranta Shabda will get Upadadhirgatam. That is where Rajan becomes Raja, Karin becomes Kari. You recollect what we discussed in last class, right? Karin Shabda is done. We don't have to do it because only one, that one alone, Karin plus Su becomes Karina, right? That is done. Then Sakara goes away because it is Ekal Pratyaya. Then you have Itan. The Sakara also goes away because Nakara at the end of
Padanta Pratipadikasyanta.
Nalopaha Pradipadikantasya. That's a rule. Sutra. This Nakara, this Pitan is Pratipadikam. Now the same Pitan has become, after the Lopa Prate, after the Lopa, it becomes Padam. So that Nakara will go away. Right? That Nakara, which is there, which is at the end of the Pratipadikam, of that of the Padam. Right? Here it is Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam Nakara. Now here Padam Nakara. That Nakara only will go. Okay. Therefore Nakara goes away. Pita. That's how we get Pita. Same thing Karin also. Upada Dirghatam happens. Karin plus Su. That Karin is a Pratipadikam with regard to Suprataya. Suprataya goes away. The Nakara also. Now what will happen? That also Nakara is at the end of the Padam now. That also goes away. Kari you get. So Raja, etc. Right? So this Pratama Vibhakti we have seen. So for Rikaranta, this rule you have to note. For Rikaranta, Asambuddhisu will get An Adesha. I'm not sure whether I wrote it this. You can, if not, you can. The last class I think I explained. I didn't write properly. Maybe I will write. For Rikaranta Shabda, Rikaranta, we have two forms. I mean, two types are there. One is
Familial and
familiar, other one is derived from the
agent-based.
Dhatu, agent-based. That's all called. Agent-based are called technically Trich.
Kridantas.
Kridantas, exactly. Kridantas. For
Tricha.
Rikaranta Shabda will get An Adesha. Will get An Adesha when followed by Asambuddhi Su. Asambuddhi Su. The rule. This is special for Rikaranta. Therefore, you get Pita, Karta, Asambuddhi Su. Okay, anyway, I'm not planned to, in fact, didn't plan to teach Ajanta. Anyway, I started doing it. So let me I try to make it simple as possible without getting into details of it. The details, what I mean is, here Anadesha is there. Actually, it is Anangadesha. So Adesha and all, I mean, we have not learned in the sense that is in the sense that Adesha, what type of Adesha, where it will come, all those things, discussions are there. Sometimes an Adesha can replace the entire Sthani. Sometimes the Adesha can replace the last letter of the Sthani. And the Adesha could be one lettered Adesha, or Adesha could be many lettered Adesha. So many things are there. Those things and all we have not discussed. It's out of scope. So without getting into those the details, just I said, Rasambuddhisu follows Rikaranta Shabdasya Antya Varnasya Rikarasya An Adeshaha Bhavati. You can follow that, right? Yes. You know, this, I think I told you, like, just an example. You tell me this Asdatu plus Ta Pratyaya. What is the full form?
Bhavat, isn't it?
Huh?
Is it asta?
No. As means asti, asdatu, to be.
As, isn't it replaced by bhudat?
Exactly. Very good. As is replaced by bu. The as is replaced by not bu dhatu. Bu adesha. Bu dhatu is different. Bu adesha is different. The here bu is adesha.
Nothing to do with the dhatu.
Because as is bhutaya, sattaya, therefore the adesha which comes in the place of us, that also of the same, I mean, in fact, it is adesha. There's nothing to do with bhudhatu. Okay. The form is bhuta. Bhudhatu also bhuta only. Bhudhatu plus ta pratyaya. That also bhuta. Here bhuta is bu is bhudhatu. First gana. Asdhatu is second gana. Form looks same, meaning also same, because asdhatu meaning also same as that of bhudhatu, but the parents are different, right? Now here you see the example. Asdhatu when followed by ardhatuka pratyaya. That's the rule. There are some dhatus. When followed by ardhatuka pratyaya, will be replaced by something. So here, bu is a replacement. But the replacement happened on the entire sthani. Sthani is as. How many letters are there in the sthani? Is it ekal or anekal sthani? And you can ask in Saṃskṛtam. Ekal or anekal?
Ekal.
No.
It is anekal.
I'm not asking ekach or anekach. Follow. Eka al means letter. One lettered or many letters?
Many letters.
Anekal. Don't confuse with ekach. I think the last problem Angor is that. Ekach, ekach, anekach. That is different. Ekach, anudata, dhatu, they are anit. That is different. That's different. I ask this is ekal or anekal? Anekal. Aneka, ekal means one lettered. Ekal pratyaya also we know. We have seen ekal, anekal. This is different. Ekach we are not discussing. I just want to show you, tell you this. Asdhatu is anekal. Adesha. Replaced by, anekal sthani. Replaced by adesha, which is also anekal. Right? Who is ekal or anekal?
Anekal.
Bha plus ukara.
Bakara plus ukara. Adesha is also anekal adesha. And sthani is also anekal sthani. Anekal sthani replaced by anekal adesha. It's a rule. Like that, there are different rules are there. Okay. So why I'm saying this, Rikaranta Shabda will get an adesha means, do we replace the entire pitru by an? Then you will have problem. Right? You don't replace the entire pitru by an. An is ekal or anekal?
Anekal.
But it doesn't replace the entire pitru. Then you may ask, here it replaces bu, the anekal adesha, replace the anekal sthani. You follow what I'm saying? Here pitri is anekal sthani. replaced by Adesha. Is it Ekal or Anekal?
Aneka.
Anekal. Any doubt in that? No.
No.
Then why don't you replace the entire Pitru by An? Because I've given for your understanding the Adesha is An. But really speaking, you know what the Adesha is?
Ananga.
It is Anang Adesha. It is. Did I tell you Anang?
Yeah, you just said it.
Just mentioned it.
Mentioned. Anang. Anang means Nakara is Ita letter.
Itte.
Mm.
It has nothing to do with Atmanepadi. Okay, we are doing
Mm.
Subanta. Don't confuse with Atmanepadi. Nakara is Ita letter, but it has got some significance here. And of course, the preceding A is also Anunasika. Therefore, it is also Ita letter. It's a packing letter, both.
Mm.
The significance of Nakara being Ita letter to deny the replacement of the entire sthani by the entire adesh.
Oh.
Therefore, last letter only will be replaced. That is why Nakara, that is the significance of the Ita letter. Everything has got significance.
Mm.
Nothing is there without any purpose, right? Everything has got Karanakarya. Why we are here? Some reason is there. Oh, why do we study Saṃskṛtam? Reason is there, right? Everything has got some Karanakarya. Nakara is there for purpose. Purposefully it is there. It is for, even though the Adesha is Anekala Adesha, but it will replace the last letter of the sthani only. Therefore, that is the significance of Nakara here. Understand? Again, this is all extra information. Maybe useful later. I will explain all these things in the Ashtadhyay class, the chart and all. We'll see that later, but just note this much is enough. Okay, wherever it in such context comes, that time we will see. So now you know what is the significance of Nakara, right? Suppose
Yes,
Nakara is not there, then what will happen? The entire Pitra will be replaced, right? That will happen. The whole Sthani will be replaced by the whole Adesha. Okay, so that is the context here. Fine. So Anang Adesha comes. I said Anang. Anang means you know now what is Anang. An will be the replacement of the last letter. See, unless otherwise specified, default rule is the last letter of the sthani will be replaced by the adesha. That is a default rule everywhere. If nakara is there, then adesha must be aneka. That is why nakara is there. That also suggests the last letter of the sthani should be replaced. Okay. Default rule is adesha replaces the ekal adesha replaces the ekal sthani. Adesha is one letter that will replace the last letter of the sthani. Simple. This is a general rule. Generally, that is what we have seen, right? Adesha will be one letter adesha that will replace the last letter of the sthani. Suppose if it is anekal adesha, then the doubt comes. Should we replace the last or the whole? That depends on the ith letter of the adesha. If nakara is not there, then it will replace the entire adesha. If nakara is there, then the last letter of the sthani will be replaced by the adesha. Okay, understand? Is it clear? Yes. You write in your own words in your notes as you like. Here and all, it is not required. Extra, as I told, extra information. So now an comes. Therefore, after that, we know what happens. You get pita, similarly karta. And here, this important sandhi rule. This is also one sandhi rule. Sandhi rule we have seen. A lot of rules we have seen at sandhi. There are some more rules are there. We will see slowly when it comes. This rule says ak plus ajadi vibhakti pratyaya of pratama and dvitiya vibhakti. So here, vibhakti when we say ajadi vibhakti means supratyaya. Therefore, this ak must be a pratipadikam, right? Pratipadikam ending with ak letter. Ak means avarna, ivarna, uvarna, ruvarna. So our context akara, ikara, ukara, rikara. Therefore, it's applicable. So when the pratipadikam ending with akara, ikara, ukara, rikara followed by ajadi vibhakti pratyaya, pratama dvitiya vibhakti, then purva and para will be replaced by Purva Savarna Dirgha. So Pratama and Ditya Vibhakti, 6 Vibhaktis are there. Out of these 6 we have already discussed. Su, for Su it is Visarga that happens. Asu become Lopaha that we have seen. Therefore that is ruled out. Therefore Av and Jas only left out. And similarly Ditya Vibhakti, is always, we have what?
Ami
Am,
Purvaha.
Ami
Ami,
Purva.
Ami Purvaha. When follows, Purva Parivastane,
Ami
Purvaha
Purva.
Adeshaga
Adesh.
Bhavati. Not Purva Savara Dirgha. Okay, that is why it is highlighted red color here. So therefore only 4 are left out. Among the 4, how you see the content of just is us. How us, out also how only. Shas also us only. Therefore, really only 2, right? How and us only. Really 2 only. I mean, because it's going to be same form, right? Ditya Dvivachanam of Pratama Vibhakti and Dvivachanam of Ditya Vibhakti, it's going to be same form only, right? How will be same, but Shasan just, you will see that that's a difference. We'll see in Rama Shabda. Ramaha Ramav Ramaha, Ramam Ramav Raman, not same. Because it is Shas, it is Ditya. That's some differences there. Fine. Now here, the content I'm saying, content is how and out. Sorry, how and us. Among these also, how is each, and it comes under each. Us is
Ajadi.
Ajadi. That difference you have to see. You have to look upon this how and out as coming under each pratyahara. And as is, it is Ajadi. So now, since Purva Rupa happens when Am follows, it is excluded. Very good. Therefore, literally what we have is how just out shas. When this pratyaya follows, what follows? Ak, that is ak, ak ending pratipadika. Then Purva Savra Dirgha will happen. Okay. And for Adanta Shabda, we have exception. This is exceptions only for Adanta Shabda, not for other Shabda. That is, when Ijadi Vyakti Pratyaya follows, this will not happen. It means how and out will not happen. Therefore, where it will happen? Only just and shas. Only just and shas. When then how and out follows, what will happen? Vriddhi.
Vriddhi.
Adantanga Vriddhi will happen. Therefore, Rama plus of is what? Vriddhi Sandhi. This rule we know. We have to arrive at this rule by negating this. We cannot directly come. That is why I taught this rule. Understand? Otherwise, directly also you will say, no, Rama plus of is Vriddhi Sandhi. But that is not the case everywhere, right? So, we have to negate this Purva Savana Dirghadesha. If you don't negate, then we will have problem in Bhagavachanam. If you don't apply this and negate, Rama plus us, what you will do? You will apply Savana Dirgha Sandhi. That's even though Savana Dirgha Sandhi, you don't see any difference, but there's a problem in applying that. Anyway, so Purva Savana Dirghadesha is negated, therefore Vriddhi Sandhi. What about our here Ari Shabda? Purva Savana Dirghadesha happens. Ari plus Purva, therefore Ari you get. Otherwise, what will happen? Yen Sandhi will happen. Yen Sandhi does happen here? No. Therefore, Yen Sandhi is negated by this Purva Savana Dirghadesha. Therefore, Purva Savana Dirghadesha, an important Sandhi in the context of Suvanta. Similarly, Guru plus Sav, not Yen Sandhi. Avarna followed by Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya, therefore Purva Savana Dirgha. And Ajadi, and here it is Ukaranta. Akvarna followed by Akis Ukaranta, here Ikaranta, therefore Purva Savana Dirghadesha happens. For Adanta, it will not happen. Right. Now, Rikaranta, what will happen? For Rikaranta, for both Sarvanamastana Pratyaya and Ignis, Saptami Vyakti Ekavachana follows, Guna will happen. It's a rule. So, therefore, what will happen? Guna will happen. After Guna happens, what? Trijanta, Upada Dirgha. Trijanta means what? Trijanta meaning
Agent noun base.
agent noun base. For agent noun base, that's with Trijanta. Trijanta, Kridanta. Trijanta meaning Kridanta.
Kridanta.
Pitra is not Kridanta. Matra is not Kridanta. Whereas Datra, Kartra, all these are Trijanta. Trijanta means Kridanta. I say Trijanta by the Pratyaya. So it is Kridanta. Kridanta Pratipadikam. Okay. That is, for that, what happens? Upada Dirghatam happens when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. These 2 points you have to note for the Karanta Shabda. So, therefore, Pitra plus Au. Pratama Bhakti already we did. Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam we did. And Adesha comes. Now, for 1 to what happens? Pitra plus Au, Sarvanamasthane Pratyaye Pare, Guna will happen, Gunadesha. And you know Guna happened for the ik letter. Therefore, Rukara is ik letter. Replace it by Ar, Pitar. Right? Rukara replace. What is Guna letter of Ru? Okay. What is Guna letter of Ru?
R.
Guna letters are A, A, O only, right?
Ah.
Because
Repa
Rukara
is
is
appended.
replaced. Therefore, Repa is appended. You know it. So R comes. So Pitar plus Au. Join Pitar Au. What about Kartar? Kartar plus Au. Kartar. After that, Upada. Dirghatam. Kartaru. This is for Trijanta only. Trijanta meaning Kridanta. That Trijanta or Kridanta, same only. They are derived from a Dhatu. So Kartra, Dhatra, Bhoktra, Bhaktra, all those things. Then Bhagavachanam, Rama plus Jas, Pratamayoho, this Purva Savana Dirghadesha happens. That's what Sutra is. Pratamayoho Purva Savanaha. That is Sutra, in fact. A plus A is, here the question should come, why don't we apply this Savana Dirgha Sandhi? Because Purva Savana Dirgha comes later. Therefore, we apply that. Paratvat. Always the later will get precedence. If you want, you can note here. Why Purva Savana why Savana Dirgha is not applied? Why? Here I write. Okay. Here. Why Savana Dirgha is not applied? That you won't be able to understand unless you know the sutra, but just I write here. Why Dirgha Sandhi not happen? Because Purva Savana Dirgha is Purva Savarna Dirghadesha is
Later in the sutra.
it's a later sutra, right? It's a later rule. Therefore, by the general rule, which states that later rule always precede the formal rule. Formal rule. It's a rule. The rule which is stated. Sorry.
Pararupa also doesn't apply, right? Pararupa something.
Pararupa also is Purva. It is Purva. In the Sutra, it is 6197. And Savana Dirgha Sandhi is 61101. And this is 61102. So which will apply? 61102. I'm not writing the number at all. Just note this. So this is a rule. If you want, you can write Dirgha Sandhi within bracket. I can write the number. Dirgha Sandhi is 61101. And the chart, it is there. The chart, I have given all the details. But in Savana Dirgha Sandhi is there. Pararupam also is there. Pura Savanaha is not there. That I can note. 102. So which one will apply? 61102 will apply. You may say, what is going to get the same thing? Yes, it's true. But rule is there. What is the rule? This is a general rule. In fact, this itself is a rule. Therefore, by the rule, this itself is a sutram. Vipratishede param karyam. When there is a simultaneous application of two sutras, Two sutras cannot be in the same place, right? Same section, same chapter. One must be preceding, other must be coming later. So the later will always precede. Vipratishede param karyam. Vipratisheda means pratisheda, contradiction. When two rules collide, I mean when they meet, then which one will apply?
Pararupa.
Pararupa will apply. Right? Generally, in our Vyavahara, the first come, first serve, right? But here it is not like that. When two people apply for the same job, both people have the same qualification, everything is same. Then you go by, even in the story Mahabharata, when Arjuna and Duryodhana both came to Arjuna asking help. First, whom did Krishna help? Arjuna. Even though Duryodhana came before, but it was Arjuna whom Bhagavan saw first.
He saw
Therefore,
first.
but here it is, the rule is here, Vipratishede param karya. That is how the sutras are arranged also. So this is a rule. This itself is a rule. So therefore, Purva Savarna is negated and Pararupa Sandhi is also not applied. Therefore, this alone you have to apply. Okay. That is why this is, yes. Yes.
So this rule is only if the rule is that only for 6 based rules, we have to use the latter, right? Because for if it is 8 based, then we said that the which comes first.
That doesn't apply here. Tripadi doesn't have any application here. Okay. Tripadi is very clear. There is order. Here there is no order. You can go all over, right?
Yeah.
Sapada Saptadhyaya only this rule is valid. Okay. This rule has applicability only in Sapada Saptadhyaya, not in Tripadi. It is general rule. The later rule preceding the former only in Sapada Saptadhyaya. Yes, good question. Yes. Then, what happens when just pratyaya follows? For here, just pratyaya follows Rasvanga, there's a rule. That also will get Gunadesha. Right? So just pratyaya follows. Not for Rasvanga means not for Akaranta. Because Akaranta anyway it is Akara. So Gunadesha, what will happen? Akara only. Therefore, we don't apply that. Rasvanga, it means it is for Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta. So when just pratyaya follows other than Akaranta, Guna will come. Guna will happen. Therefore, Ari become Are plus us after the Yadi Sandhi, Arayaha. Similarly, Guru will become Guru, Guravaha. Pitra will become Pitar, then Pitaraha. Kartara will become
Kartaraha.
Why not Kartaraha? Exactly. Already told. Prajanta Shabda when followed by Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, Upada Dirghatam Bhavati. Therefore, Kartaraha. Right? Then Dvitya Bhakti Ekavachanam, we know, Ami Purvaha.
Yeah.
Here I have written Purva Rupaha, Parasutram is stronger than Purva Sutram. This is what it is, I told now. Rule what I told, this is what it is. Parasutram is a later one presides over the preceding one. Right? So Rama plus Here why I said this Purva Rupa is comes later. In fact, Purva Rupa is 61107. Okay. 61107. Therefore, only Pratamayoha Purvasavana also doesn't apply. Understand? That is Purvatavana Dirghadesha. And also specifically this rule is that when Pratyaya follows, Purva will be the Adesha. Specifically it is there and also later. Therefore, that is applied. Remember the context. Why Pararupam doesn't apply? Pararupa is Pararupa Sandhi is Purvam. It is, you see the chart in that given 6197. The number, I'm just giving you the number. And this is 61107. Therefore, Parasutra will apply. Purva is Pararupam. Parasutram is Purvarupam. Okay. Purva Sutra is Pararupam. Parasutra is Purvarupam. You understand? This Pararupa Sandhi located before Purvam. This Purvarupa Sandhi, that is Ami Purvaha, this is located later. Understand? So Pararupa is Purva. Purva Sutra is Pararupa. So Parasutra will apply, means Purvarupa will apply. I think enough confusion, right? So therefore, A plus A is A only. Similarly, Ari plus A. Purvarupa is Apavada to? Apavada to?
Savarna Dirgha
Yan
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Yan Sandhi, all right?
Yes. For Akaranta, it is
You can
Savarna
see,
Dirgha.
why don't we apply Yan Sandhi? Yan Sandhi, 6177. There we don't say Purva and Para. Please note. It is Apavada. Here it is Apavada, clean Apavada. See, Apavada is stronger than Utsarga, right? Whereas Purva Sutra, Parasutra, there is no Apavada Utsarga connection. No sambandha like that. Both are Sutra, both are independent, both have applicability. There is no Apavada Utsarga sambandha, right? Then therefore only we have problem there, and the problem is resolved by saying Parasutra will preside. Later Sutra will application. Simple. Okay. Fine. Then this is done 3, 2, 1. And this is also another important thing already we have seen. Pitra plus Here, what will apply?
Gunadesa first.
First Guna you have to do it. Then Pitar you get. Then Pitar plus Because R plus what will happen? What Sandhi? N Sandhi. Can you apply N Sandhi? N Sandhi also it is there. And Gunadesha also it is there. Then question will come. Why don't we do N Sandhi?
First Angakarya, Guru.
Angakarya is very powerful. So all these relations you have to know. Purva, Para, Utsarga, Apavada, Nitya, Anitya. Even the rules are the Nitya rule, Anitya rule. Nitya means when two rules are there. A rule which is invariably applicable. Even when it is applied, when it is applied, invariably applicable, when it has to be applied, when it is applied, you see a form. That is Nitya. Anitya is, when Nitya is applied, Anitya will not find scope. That is called Anitya. So all these are, I'm not giving an example, I'm just saying. So all these are that's how the rules are arranged, and then we have to apply. So we have to use our thinking there, whether it is Purva, Para, Apavada, Utsarga relationship is there, or Nitya, Anitya, and there is an order. There's an order in terms of its strength of the rules. Purva, Para, see, compared to Purva, Para is stronger. Okay. Compared to Purva, Para is stronger. Compared to Para, Apavada is stronger. You understand? Just the strength of the rules. There's a paribhasha which says compared to Purva, Para is stronger. Compared to Para, Nitya is stronger. Compared to Nitya, Antaranga is stronger. Compared to Antaranga, Apavada is stronger. So that's the range. Okay, I just not required, but just mentioning you take as much, as I said, as much you can. You'll see all those things when the context comes, just for your understanding. This is a paribhasha. Purva, Para, Nitya, Antaranga, Nityantaranga. Nitya, Antaranga, it is. Antaranga, Bhagiranga, we have, that also is there. Internal, external operation. Nityantaranga, Apavadanav, Uttarottaram Baliyaha. Uttarottara means succeedingly. It is stronger. Baliyaha. Purva is there. Compared to Purva, Para is stronger. That is what I said now. Then there are Nitya rules. Compared to that, Antaranga is stronger. Antaranga Karya. Compared to Antaranga, Apavada is stronger. So Apavada Nam, Uttarottaram Baliyaha. So Paribhasha, it's a rule. Purva Para Nityantaranga Apavada Nam, Uttarottaram Baliyaha. Okay. Now, Angakarya is stronger. Antaranga Karya. Sandhi is compared to that Bhagiranga, outside. Okay. Therefore, Antaranga first. And then only Sandhi Karya to be done. That's the reason. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it too much, huh?
No, keep going,
No, it's
Guruji.
okay.
Interesting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Just I say, just as much you can. This topic will complete it. Try to complete today. Okay. I don't want to make it too heavy for this. So, Pitra plus some, Gunadesha, and then addition. Then Katra plus some, is Saranavasthana Pratyaya. For Katra, Upada Dirghotam happens, we have seen. So, therefore, up to there it must be very clear. Then Ditya Vibhakti Jivachanam, Vriddhi Sandhi happens for Rama because it is Ijadi Vibhakti Pratyaya. Therefore, Purva Savarna is negated, Vriddhi will happen. For Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, same as Pratama Vibhakti only, Purva Savarna will happen. For Pitra Shabda,
Gunadesha and Melanam.
Gunadesha and then
yes, followed with Sranamastana Pratyaya, therefore Guna, Pitar, and Katra will become Gunadesha and
Upada Dirghatam.
Upadirgatvam
Melanam.
Meranam. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavacham. Okay. What about Ditya 2-3? Oh, 2-3 is done. 2-3, where is 2-3?
Is not there. But we did it earlier, Guruji, that Sha is replaced by Nakara.
Nakara.
Okay, sorry. But it means, just a minute, I'll copy.
When we did Purva Savarna Dirgha Desha Sandhi, at that time we have explained.
Okay,
Yes.
so I just copy from here. Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Yeah, and then I will remove this. Here it is. Ditya Vibhakti Ekavachanam and Ditya Vibhakti, now Bhagavachanam. Please see. Ditya Vibhakti, yeah, 2-3. Bhagavachanam. Pratyaya is Shas Pratyaya.
Yes.
What will happen? Rama plus us. Here, Purva Savana Dirgha. Then after that, the Sakara, which is a part of Shas, will get Nakara Adesha. It's a rule. I think I taught you, right?
Yep.
Yes. Because of Shak.
Yes. Okay, please note that. Shas, that is, here I write. The rule itself in bracket. Sakara of Shas is replaced by Nakara. After Purva Savana Dirgha Adesha. That's important. Okay. After Purva Savarna Dirgha Adesha. So that Shas, which has undergone Purva Savana Dirgha Adesha, right? The Sakara of that will be replaced by Nakara. That's a rule. Please note. Sakara of Shas is replaced by Nakara after Purva Savana Dirgha Adesha. It's very important. Otherwise, it is no. Sakara belongs to Shas Pratyaya. The Shas with the Anga, that is with the Pratipadikam, it has undergone Purva Savana Dirgha. That Sakara will be replaced by Nakara. Right? This is only for Pullinga. Only for Pullinga Shabda only. Not for Napumsakalinga. Not for Strilinga. Okay. That's why Rama, Nareen, Gurun, etc. Okay, now Hari plus Shas will become 2, 3. Hari plus
not Gunadesha, sorry.
Hari plus Shas. What will happen? Hari plus Shas.
Hare.
Purva Savarna.
Very good. Purva Savarna. Here Gunadesha will not happen. Just follows Guna will happen. Here Hari plus As will be Hari. Haris. Purva Savarna Dirgha Bhavati. Right? Purva Savarna Dirgha. Purva Savarna Dirgha. And that Sakara now will be replaced by Nakara. Therefore, Areen. So you get Areen. Right? That Shas is important in this sense. Similarly, Guru will become Guru plus Shas and 2, 3. Guru plus, it becomes Gurus.
Yeah.
Purva Savarna Dirgha Deshaha. Purva Savarna Dirgha. And then therefore that becomes Guru. Okay. Then Pitra will become same thing. Pitra will become Pitra plus Shas. And it is 2, 3. Here what will happen? R plus As is. What will happen? Pitra plus As. Purva Savarna Dirgha. What is the Purva letter? R. R will become Dirgha. Therefore Dirgha. Therefore Pitra, then Pitrun. Why Nattam doesn't happen here? Akara?
It's the Antyan.
Exactly.
Avasana.
Yes, it is at the end. Therefore, Nattam doesn't happen. Apadantanakara only, right? Similarly, Kartru. Kartru plus Shas will be, this will become Kartru, Katrus. Then you get Kartru. So here also Purva Savana Dirgha. And then Kartru. Okay. So this is done. Now we can do the Tritiya. What we have done, just quickly. Ta will be replaced by this simple. If you know this rule. This, in fact, this is the rule, Sutram. Only for Adanta Anga. Adanta Anga, it is common for Napumsakalinga and all. Right? Adanta Anga, any Adanta Anga you take. Adanta Anga has to be Pullinga or Napumsakalinga. So therefore, Rama and Pala, if you take, Ta will be replaced by Ina. After that, Gunasandhi. Ramena, Palena. Right? Nasi is Panchami. Nas is Shashti. So Nasi will be replaced by Ad. The Pratyaya will be replaced by Ad. Nas will be replaced by Sya. Okay, not Syaha. Why is Syaha is there?
Bahuvachanam.
Three Adeshas are there. Therefore, Bahuvachanam. But you have to take only the Pratipadikam. Ina, Ad, Sya. Ina replaces Ta. Ad replaces Nasi. Sya replaces Nas of Adanta Pratipadikam. Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, whatever. Right? So Rama plus Ina Ramena, then after the Natvam happens. Now, here only I introduced this Sanya. If you remember.
Nadi.
Yeah, Nadi Sanya. What is Nadi Sanya? Nadi is required for understanding the Sanya.
All Strilinga.
Ikara and Ukara of Nitya Strilinga.
Nitya Srilinga. There are Ikara and the Shabda Pullinga are there. Swayambhu. Swayambhu is Pullinga. Is it, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya?
No.
Gramani. No. Gramani is also Pullinga. That is why we say Nitya Srilinga Shabda. Which are Srilinga. That alone will enjoy Nadi Sanya. That is provided Ikaranta and Ukaranta. Okay. Therefore, these are all Nitya Srilinga Shabda. Right? Gauri, Saraswati, Nadi. Nadi itself. Stri. Stri is Nitya Srilinga. Vadu. Now, this Sanya is extended to Nadi Sanya, extended to Rasva Ikaranta Srilinga and Rasva Ikaranta, Rasva Ukaranta, not Ikaranta, Rasva Ukaranta. Srilinga Shabda. When followed by Nit Pratyaya. Nit is
4151 ending.
516171.
Ni, right? They're all Nit Pratyaya. Nakara, what is Nit means? Nakaraha, It, Yasyasaha. So therefore, when Nit Pratyaya follows. Now, Mati Shabda, is it Nadi Sanyaka Shabda?
It is not a string.
Mati is Srilinga.
Followed by it.
Mati is Srilinga.
Yeah.
As a Pratipadikam,
Then
Followed by Nit Pratyaya.
as a Pratipadikam, it is not Nadi Sanya.
Mm-hmm.
But when followed by Pratyaya,
Nit Pratyaya.
therefore only, Mati Shabda, 4151, 617, you have two forms. What is Chaturthi Bhakti form of Mati Shabda? I hope you know by heart Mati Shabda.
Matya.
Not Matya is Tritiya, right? Matyai Mataye, right? Matyai Mataye, Matibhya, Matibhyaha, Matyaha Matehe, Panchami, Matibhya, Matibhyaha, Matyaha Matehe, Matyoho, Matina, Shashti. Matyam, Saptami. Matyam, Matau. Two forms are there, right? One form, because it enjoys Nadi Sanya. Other form, because it enjoys other form is because of not because of Nadi Sanya. Okay. What time only one Sanya it can enjoy. Therefore, we have two forms. Enjoys Nadi Sanya. If it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, then it will enjoy another Sanya, Gi Sanya. Okay. That's why Nadi Gi I given. Okay. Two forms are there for Mati Shabda. Deru Shabda also like that only. Den by Denave, Denubhyam, Denubhyaha, Denvaha, Denoho, Denubhyam, Denubhyaha, Denvaha, Denoho, Denoho, Denunam, Denmam, Denau. Right? One form because it enjoys Nadi Sanya. Another form because it enjoys Gi Sanya. Now, what is Gi Sanya? That is why I introduced Gi Sanya. Gi Sanya. Those words which are masculine and neuter ending with Ikara, Ukara. I'm not interested in Srilinga. Okay. Though I said two forms are there for Mati and Deno. One is by Nadi, other one is by Gi. The next one, we are not interested in Srilinga Shabda. We will see that later. Now, extending that Sanya, Gi Sanya to the words which are masculine and neuter, ending with Ikara and Ukara. Masculine words ending with Ikara, Ukara, they enjoy Gi Sanya. Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Pullinga Shabdaha, Gi Sanyakaha Bhavanti. Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Trilingaha, Nadi Sanya Bhavanti, Git Pratyaya Pare. Right? When followed by Git Pratyaya, it gets Nadi Sanya. So in connection with that, Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Pullinga, what Sanya it will get? It will get Gi Sanya. Okay. Connection is there, but connection I am not saying it yet. That's all. It will be too much. That's why. Just not this much. Okay.
But here they need not be followed by Git Pratyaya.
Followed by no, that's not because it is Gi Sanya, right? There's no such thing. Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, Shabda. Enjoys Gi Sanya. Okay. See, the Nadi Sanya, Gi Sanya, both are connected. That is why in the beginning I introduced this. Nadi Sanya for, we say it is for Strilinga Shabda, right? But it is for Nitya Strilinga. But for Pullinga also it is separate. For Pullinga also Nadi Sanya is there.
So, Guruji, so Mati will be Pullinga also?
No. Mati
It
is...
is having two forms you mentioned. So sometimes it will be Gi Sanya as well. So it can be Pullinga also sometimes.
Because Gi Sanya, it is not Pullinga. No. Because it enjoys Gi Sanya, it doesn't mean Pullinga. Nowhere it is said like that. Right? It enjoys Nadi Sanya optionally. That's it. That is Sri Shabda. Sorry, that Strilinga Shabda. Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda. When fall, even, see, the Utsarga is Dirga Ikara, Dirga Ukara enjoys
Nadi Sanya.
Nadi Sanya. Now, what about Rasva Ikara, Ukara? They cannot enjoy Nadi Sanya. Now, we say Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda, when followed by Git Pratyaya, enjoys Nadi Sanya.
Okay.
Right? Therefore, collectively, if you see, Dirga Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Nitya Strilinga Shabda enjoys Nadi Sanya. Then Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Nitya Strilinga Shabda, okay, that also enjoys Nadi Sanya when Git Pratyaya follows, right? When Git Pratyaya follows, it has two forms. Yeah, two forms has got reason. We are not saying Nadi Sanya, okay. We are not saying the Pati Shabda now. Okay. Just note this much. Okay. See, I said Nitya Strilinga Shabda, but Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda, followed by Git Pratyaya, what Sanya it enjoys?
Nadi Sanya.
Nadi.
Followed by, okay, Git Pratyaya. Suppose, where it is not followed by Git Pratyaya,
Gi Sanya.
that Strilinga Shabda, when not Strilinga Shabda, when followed by the Pratyaya, which is not Ni, Git Pratyaya, then it will enjoy Gi Sanya. It will enjoy Gi Sanya. Okay. That's why it is given. Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda, when followed by Git Pratyaya, enjoys Nadi Sanya. When followed by the Pratyaya, which are not Git Pratyaya, then it will enjoy Gi Sanya. Okay. Fine. This much you note, we will see that later. Okay. Gi Sanya, Nadi Sanya. Now we are interested only in Pullinga. See, in other words, I would say like this. Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda, when followed by Git Pratyaya, followed by Git Pratyaya, Nadi Sanya. If it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya,
it enjoys Gi Sanya.
That's it. Therefore, two forms. At a time, only one Sanya possible.
Yep. Simple.
So, by giving that Sanya, we do particular Karya. That's why we have two forms. Matye, Matehe. If it is Nadi Sanya, you see, Matye is like what Shabda? Nadi Shabda. Nadi Shabda, what is Chaturthi Bhakti? Nadyai. Therefore, Mati has got corresponding Matyai. That is Mati Shabda enjoying Nadi Sanya. Suppose if Nadi Sanya it is denied, then it will enjoy Gi Sanya. If it is enjoy Gi Sanya, then Mataye, another form is there. So by Nadi Sanya, one form, by Gi Sanya, another form. Understand? That's a rule. That is, when Git Pratyaya follows, please see. Maybe I will write this, modify. When Git Pratyaya follows, Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda gets optional Nadi Sanya. This Sanya is extended optionally. Now you understand, right? Optionally. Although we are not interested in Nadi Sanya, I mean Strilinga Shabda, that's why I say. This Sanya means what Sanya? Nadi Sanya. let me write this. Nadi Sanya is extended that for the Ikaranta, Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda, optionally, when it is followed by Nit Pratyaya. It means, optionality is that means that when it is not, it will enjoy Gi Sanya. At a time, only one Sanya is possible. When it enjoys Gi Sanya, then it will not enjoy Nadi Sanya. When it enjoys Nadi Sanya, then it will not enjoy Gi Sanya. Okay. Because you as I say, Mati Shabda, if it enjoys Gi Sanya, okay, if it enjoys Nadi Sanya, let us do first Nadi Sanya. Nadi, okay, I'll write like this. Nadi Sanyaka Mati Shabdasya. For example, I'm writing Chaturthi Vibhakti Rupam. Rupam is, what is the Rupam? Nadi Sanya Matyai, exactly, Matyai. Matyai, because Mati Shabda enjoys Nadi Sanya. Suppose if it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, then
Matai.
Then this becomes
Gi Sanya.
Gi Sanya. Gi Sanyaka Mati Shabdasya Chaturthi Bhakti Rupam Matyai Mataye.
Matai.
So, what is the difference between, okay, because we have already opened the Pandora box, discussed this. Matya is, you can connect with Nadi Shabda. Nadi as a Shabda is Nadi Sanyaka Shabda. Understand? Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Nadi Shabda is Ikaranta, it is Nitya Strilinga, therefore what Sanya enjoys? Nadi Sanya. Chaturthi Bhakti of Nadi Shabda is Nadyai. Now, Mati Shabda is Rasva Ikaranta, it is Strilinga, Nitya Strilinga. When Mati Shabda, and I said Mati Shabda enjoys Nadi Sanya, optionally when followed by Nit Pratyaya, therefore the Rupam will be similar to the Nadi. Therefore, Nadyai Matyai. Understand? Similar to that of Nadi Shabda, Nadyai, Chaturthi Vibhakti Rupam, here Matyai. Now, optionally, suppose if it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, it has to enjoy Gi Sanya. Not two Sanyas same time. Please note, okay? This is a rule. Under special Adhikara, it is only one Sanya at a time. Either you are called Sharan or you are called Lakshmi Narayana. People in the ashram, they know by the name Lakshmi Narayana. They don't know Sharan. Who is Sharan? If they ask, there's no such people at all here, they will say. My Swami doesn't know by the name Sharan. He knows only by Lakshmi Narayana. So at a time, only one Sanya. In the ashram, one Sanya, outside another Sanya. So no identity for me. So I can easily, get away by cheating people. I saw such person at all. Okay. Anyway, so Gi Sanya ka Shabda. So at a time, only one Sanya. Now, Gi Sanya means no Nadi Sanya. Now, why the difference is that? That is what matters here. Why the difference? The difference in Sanya leads to different Anga Karya. What is the Anga here? I mean, Pratipadikam Mati. Mati plus Nye. What happens here?
Guna and
exactly. That is why Gi Sanya is required. To make the Guna happen. Whereas here, what happens? In Mati plus Nye is A. Therefore, simple, over. Nadi Shabda, in fact, simple. Nadi is simple, Yansandi. Whereas Gi Sanya means Guna happens. Mati plus A only, Nye only. But what happens here? Mati become Mate. That is what. So, Gi Sanya now introduced for Strilinga, right? Now I'm extending that to Pullinga also. This is the connection. I'm very happy people are asking questions, understanding what I'm saying, following the thread of discussion. Understand, all of you?
Yes, correct.
At the time, only one Sanya here. Okay, that is important. You can understand this, Mate. Now, extending that Gi Sanya to Pullinga Shabda also. Therefore, those words which are masculine and neuter, Pullinga Shabda, those words which Pullinga Shabda, Napumsakalekha Shabda ending with Ikara Ukara, they get the Sanya Gi. They get the Sanya Gi. So Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Pullinga Shabda gets what Sanya? Gi Sanya. Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda gets Gi Sanya optionally when Git Pratyaya follows. Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda gets Adi Sanya. Then poor this Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, what they have to do? They will get Gi Sanya. Because it cannot get Nadi Sanya, it will get Gi Sanya. That is also a rule. That which cannot get Nadi Sanya will get Gi Sanya. Some Sanya you have to ordain, right? Some name you have to give, otherwise they are not happy. So you give the name Gi Sanya. Let the masculine and neuter Shabdas enjoy Gi Sanya. So therefore, Gi related Karyam will happen. What Karyam? Guna Karyam. That is a logic. Okay. You see the logic, you will understand how it's like a computer programming, like Java programming. So it is like that. This is how it is arranged. By just giving the name connected with the Karya, if this name, this Karya will happen. At that name, that Karya will happen. And Mati is a mixture of both. Mixture of both means at a time only one. Therefore, two forms are there for 4151, 6171. For Pullinga, it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. Where is Nadi Sanya for Pullinga? That is why in the beginning itself I said, Dirgha Ikara Ukara will get Nadi Sanya and it is extended to Rasva Ikaranta, Rasva Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda. Only Strilinga. What is this poor Pullinga masculine and neuter will do? Take it Gi Sanya. Only for Ikara Ukara. Okay, not for Rikara, not for Akara. Right? Understand? Therefore, now, therefore, what will happen? Tritiya Bhakti we will see. Because I already said, okay, Tritiya directly, we can say Tritiya directly now. Yeah. Tritiya, Hari plus Ta. What Sanya this enjoys Hari? Now here onwards, this Gi Sanya is important. Pratama and Vidya not required. Pratama Vidya and Sandhi Karya, Sandhi we did, Pratama Yoho, that Purva Savana Dirgha, it's done, over. Now, here onwards we require. Hari plus Ta will be, because Hari enjoys Gi Sanya, therefore Ta should be replaced by Na. It's a rule. Therefore, Hari Na. Guru enjoys Gi Sanya, therefore replace it Guru Ta by Na. Guru Na. What about Rama plus Ta? Rama doesn't enjoy Gi Sanya. Why? Not Ikara, Ukara.
Akaranta.
Similarly, Rikaranta, Pitra plus Ta. Pitra doesn't enjoy Gi Sanya.
No.
Therefore, nothing happens. What will happen? Fall into the main basket. In Sandhi. Understand? Pitra.
Yes.
Similarly, Kartra becomes Kartra. Done. Over.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, Tritiya, okay. Because we did this. Beyond this, we can do later. We'll come back later. We'll do 3-1 we have done. 4-1 you see. 4-1 is Rama plus K. Does it enjoy Gi Sanya? No.
No.
And it's Akaranta Shabda. Replace Nye by Ya. So Ya comes. Now Ya is what? Yajnadi Pratyaya. Yajna is Supratyaya. We know what will happen. Anga will get
Dirghatva.
Rama, yeah. Done. Hari plus Nye. Hari Shabda, what Sanya enjoys?
Gi Sanya.
Gi Sanya. Therefore Guna happens. Guna Desha due to Gi Sanya. That is the reason. I want Guna to happen. That I get it done by giving it a Sanya, Gi Sanya. So Gi Sanya ka Hari Shabdasya Guna Desha ka bhavati. Right? Therefore Araye. Then after the end Sandhi. Guru plus Nye. Guru is Gi Sanya ka
Gi
Shabda.
Sanya.
Guru. Then after that end Sandhi. Gurave. Pitra. Gi Sanya. No.
No,
No, Guruji.
Pitra plus A. Just do
Pitraya.
N Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Kartra plus A. N Sandhi.
Yansante.
So it is done. Chaturthi. Now, Chaturthi, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam also we will do later. Once we do that. Now, after that, did we do Panchami or we have to do it?
We have to do it.
We have to do it.
Okay. Panchami, we will do it simple. As we have done up to here. Panchami, you see. Panchami, just copy paste this. And after that, we can do Dvivachanam. At a time, all the 5 shabdas we are doing, that is why it takes little time, probably confusing you also. I don't know. Okay. This Panchami Bhakti, let's do it. Panchami Bhakti Ekvacham. What is the pratyaya?
Nasi.
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 Nasi with the Chandra Bindu. Nasi. Content is us. Okay. What will happen here? Rama plus us.
Nasi.
Rama plus Nasi itself. Okay.
See,
What will happen?
Nasi replaced
Purva
by
Savarnadesh.
No.
Aat. Ta Nasi Nasa.
Already I told before one rule. Ta Nasi Nasa.
Yes.
Nasa.
Yeah.
Nasi replaced by
Replaced by
Aat.
Aat.
Ask.
Now A plus A is Savana Dirga. Ramat.
Ramat.
Right? Now Ari plus Nasi. Here what will happen? What Sanya Ari enjoys?
Gisanya.
Gisanya.
Therefore, Gunadeshaha.
Guna.
Ari plus us. What do you get? Aray. Arayaha.
Hare.
Arayaha. Sorry, Arehe. Sorry, Kamitam.
Arehe.
Yeah.
Arehe.
Arehe, not Arayaha. So, here what happens? And Hari plus Nasi. Hari plus Nasi, there is a rule. It doesn't fall into this bracket. We have one Apavada for this, but for Nasi and Gus. For Nasi and Gus, Hari enjoys Gisanya, but there's another rule which applies here. That is, when Nas or Nasi follows Ak ending Shabda, but not for Rama Shabda. Rama is Adanta. You know what happens that Nasi Ngasoho, that's a rule. That is, when Nasi or Nas follows, that's a rule. Nasi Ngasoscha, it is in the same Nasi Ngasoscha, it is 61110. By that, what happens? That is, Guna happens. Ari becomes Are. Ari, first is this Gisanya is there. Ari Gisanya. First Guna happens. After that, Ayadi, don't do Ayadi Sandhi, because this Eng this is now becomes Eng Anta. Ending with what letter? A. Eng letter. Now, if it is ending with Eng letter, followed by Nas or Nasi, you know what happens? Pura Parayoho, Pura Rupaha Desha Bhavati. Pura Parayoho, Purva is A, Para is A. So Pura Parayoho, Purvaha Desha Bhavati. Therefore,
Ares.
A will come Ares. Therefore, Ayadi Sandhi will not apply. Pura Parayo. Ayadi Sandhi number is, just for information, 6178. Okay. That Nasinga Soscha, it is, that's a sutra. That is, it's also Purva Rupa. Purva Rupa Ekadesha. I make it like that. Purva Rupa Ekadesha. This comes later. So now competition between the two. This, just for your, this thing I write the number here, 61110. Nothing associated. In fact, the sutra is. Ayadi Sandhi is 6178. Which one will apply now? When two things are possible here.
6110.
Exactly. Because this rule very specifically says for Panchami and Shashti Vibhakti. Therefore, Ayadi Sandhi, see, we know only Ayadi Sandhi. We have never read this. Therefore, this is also Sandhi rule. Therefore, this is Apavada to Ayadi Sandhi. The Pura Rupa Ekadesha, very specific for Nasi and Nas. When Nas Pratyaya and Nasi Pratyaya follows what? Condition is Eng Anta Anga. Anga must ending with A. That A is achieved by Gisanya. Because Ari is Gisanya, Gunadesha happens. Now it is Eng Anta followed by Nasi or Nas, Pura Rupa Adesha. Understand?
Yes.
You write the details. Ari Shabda, in your notes you write like that. I'm not writing, I just write the equation. Ari Shabda enjoys Gisanya, therefore Gunadesha happens. Once Gunadesha happens, it becomes Eng Anta. Eng means A-O. In Guru also we are going to do. Eng Antanga followed by Nasi or Nas, Purva Parayostane, Purvaha Ekadeshaha Bhavati. It's a rule. And 61110 is Purva Rupa Ekadesha, which is Apavada to Ayadi Sandhi. Ayadi Sandhi 6178. Therefore, which is
What
stronger?
is Ekadesha, Guruji?
One Adesha, one will come in the place of both.
Oh,
Or
okay.
Purva, that's what Ekadesha is. Okay. Now, extending the same thing, here also, Guru plus Nasi, what will happen?
Guru.
Guru.
First is Guru enjoys
Gunadesha.
Gunadesha, Guru plus us. Then O is O. O means Enganta. Enganta followed by Enganta followed by the Purva Pariyogastane
Gurus.
Purvaha Adesha
Guru.
Bhavati Gurus. Therefore you get Guroho.
Guru.
Now you can see the utility of Gisanya. And after that applying this Purva Rupa. See, there are so many Purva Rupa. That is why I numbered it. If you remember, with this Sandhya, I numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that we know distinctly. Similarly, we have to number it. I am just saying Purva Rupa and giving the number 61110 Sutra number for your understanding. Okay. So, Nasi, this is Panchami. What about Rukaranta? Pitru plus Nasi.
No Gi Sanya here, Guruji.
No Gi Sanya. Therefore, Pitru plus us will become
Pitaraha.
You have to do N Sandhi, right? Is it N Sandhi? This N Sandhi happens. What is the form?
Pitroho.
No. Panchami Ekavachanam. Panchami Ekavachanam. It is Pita. Exactly. What is that?
Pituhu.
Pituhu. How do you get Pituhu? Pituhu means Ukara Adesha comes, right?
Yes.
Ukara Adesha. Here, this also, it is there in the same section. That is, if it is a Rikaranta Shabda, right? When Nas or Nas follows, Nasi or Nas follows, R will be replaced by what? U. It's a rule. Rikaranta will be replaced by Ukara. Now, Rikara replaced by U. What do you get?
Pitu.
No. Think and tell. Rikara replaced by U.
No Gi Sanya.
Yeah, Rikaranta. How can we give Sanya? Rikaranta doesn't enjoy Gisanya. No, not Gisanya.
But when replaced,
No.
it becomes Ukara.
It will come.
No. That is Nitya. Nitya Srilinga, we say, no? It is Adesha. It is Adesha here. Rikara replaced by U. Well, I'm asking a simple thing. Rikara, what is the... When Rikara replaced by U, what will comes along with U? That is what the question is.
Refa appended.
That's what I'm asking.
Refa appended.
Pitur. Don't say Pitu, it is Pitur.
Yes.
Now Pitur plus us is?
Pitaraha.
Pituras.
Not Pituras. It is Pitur.
Pituras.
Pitur. Yeah, Pitur plus us. Then.
Pituras.
Sorry. Now this. Here Ru is there. Ru plus both Purva Parayogostane. All these are under the Purva Parayodhikara. So Ru plus this both are replaced by U. The rule. Not Rukara. That's both are replaced by Rukara plus that is Rukaranta Pratipadikam followed by the then both are replaced by U. Both are replaced by Ukara. This is the rule. Ritaha ut R plus U now will be replaced by U.
Pitu plus.
Therefore you get
Pitus.
R plus U. What replaced by what? R plus R plus replaced by
Ur.
No. Ur. You have to tell Ur. That's what important.
Yes.
Because Repa will be appended to it. Ur. Therefore, what you get? Piturs. I write like that. Piturs. Now, what will happen to this? What is this? This is a Padam, right? Padam ending with
Sakara.
What will happen to Sakara?
Pitur.
So Sakara will drop, Guruji.
By what rule? You have seen that before.
That is
Conjunct consonant at the end
Saṃskṛtam
of the padam.
Sammogandasya padam.
Yes, very good. Conjunct consonant at the end of the padam, the last letter of that will drop, right?
Yes.
But here one important thing is that is conjunct consonant at the end of the padam, the last consonant will drop, fine.
Yes.
But if it is a sakara, right? If it is sakara, it will drop only when repa precedes. Otherwise, no.
Oh, okay.
It's a rule. Only when repa precedes, sakara will drop. Otherwise, it is not. Follow what I'm saying?
With nakara also we have dropped.
I don't know. You understand what I say? Conjunct consonant, the last letter of the conjunct consonant at the end of the padam will drop. That is general rule. But there is a rule which restricts the scope of application of that lopa only with that sakara. Sakara at the end of the conjunct will drop only when preceded by repa. It means what? If any other letter precedes, sakara will not drop. Will not drop. It will not drop. Understand?
Yes.
Is it not clear?
Clear, Guruji.
Okay, I'll give one counter example. So now sakara it drops here. Therefore, you have pitur, padanta repa becomes pituhu. I thought the class this way I would be able to complete this class, but not possible. Anyway, next class will continue. Now, I'll explain this. Now, you take this shabda, for example. This is a stock example. Urj. Urj is a pratipadikam. Jakarantaha, pullingaha, urj shabdaha. Urj plus su, pratama vibhakti. I'm just giving an example to understand the previous one. Okay. Urj plus su, pratama vibhakti ekavachan. You tell me what will happen. You know what happens.
Urj. So.
Urjas. So sakara will not drop.
Urj plus su. So urj plus sakara. Sakara is sayogan. What sakara is that?
Padanta sakara.
No. This is pratyay sakara. The following a hal. That's what this will drop. Yes or no? Like Marutandal we did, right? Same thing. Now we have urj. Right? Now this is a padam or not?
It is.
Yes. Ending with what letter? Repa and jakara, right?
Jakara.
Now what will happen to this?
Jakara will not drop.
Jaka, exactly. If you apply Sayoganta Silopa, Jakara will drop and you will get Anishta Padam, Ur. This is not Ur. This Jakara should not drop.
Yes.
Therefore, because it doesn't drop, now Ur is a Padam. Therefore, Kuttam you can apply. Jakara will be replaced by corresponding Jakara. Ur. Then after that, Vavasana, you get Urk. This is a form actually. Urg or Urg. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Urg Shabda is Urg or Urg. If you apply the Sayoganta Lopaha, this Jakara will go away. I don't want the Jakara to go. Therefore, I do the restriction of the Lopa of the letter by saying that Sakara when preceded by Repa will go. It means that any other letter is there, it will not go. You understand?
Yes.
Ratsasya, that Repa, Ratsasya, that is Repat Uttarasya Sakarasya eva Lopaka Bhavati, Repat Uttarasya Anya Varnasya Lopaka na Bhavati. Understand? That Sakara which follows Repa will vanish. Other letter following Repa will not vanish. That is the meaning. Understand? Here, Repa is followed by what letter? Sakara. So, Repa followed by Sakara will vanish. Why I should say Repa followed by Sakara should vanish specifically? It means other than that, will not go.
Will not go.
That's it. Right? Therefore, this rule says, Rep Sayogantase Lopaha, we apply, but there is a specific rule. It's called Niyamana Sutra. Niyamana, restricting the scope of the application of a sutra. Niyamana, restricting. That Sakara, which following the Repa, will go. It means any other letter will not go. Here, Jakara is there, it will not go. If it goes, then you will not get the Ishta Rupa. Urka, you will not get it. Understand? That's the reason.
Yes.
So, you can understand for time being, as we have not seen, Sayoganta Selopa, that is conjunct consonant at the end of the padam, the Sakara will drop. It's okay, nothing wrong in that. But this is rule is there. Okay. Therefore, finally, you get Vituhu. Similarly, Kartuhu also. I think we'll stop here.
But Guruji, in Rajan, Su, there, and Nakara and Su, we are dropping Su, isn't it?
Yes, Rajan, it becomes, okay, then?
Su. So Sakara is dropping there. It is not...
Sakara will drop. Not preceded by Repa. That Sakara following the Repa will vanish. Here, the Repa is not there. Nakara, that Sakara will go. I'm not saying Sakara should never vanish. Please note. Sakara following the Repa will vanish, I said.
Following the Repa will vanish. Okay.
So, sorry, Sakara. See, another thing is, Sakara following the Repa will vanish. This is the rule. But here, the Sakara goes away not by the Sayogante Slopaha. Please understand, this goes away by Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya following the Nakara will vanish. There's no connection. There's no connection. Don't confuse with that. This Sakara is Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya following a Halanta Shabda, therefore it will drop. Not because of this conjunct consonant at the end of the Padam.
But in the previous example also, it is the same, isn't it?
Where?
It was following the Halanta, Urj.
No, not Halanta. Where is Halanta? Where is Halanta here?
Urj, Guruji.
Urj is there. Okay. Urj is... okay. Where is Urj plus Sakara? Okay. Sakara goes away. After the Lopa of Sakara by Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya, then we have Urj. Here we have conjunct. That is right?
Okay.
I think
now I got the
Sakara is
yes, now I got it. Thank you.
Okay, I think we'll stop here. We'll discuss this next class. Right?
Okay,
think about this. Yeah. If you had 2 more questions, I will get confused.
I know.
Okay. Suddenly something will happen. Okay, what is that I'm doing then? I get confused. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. It may look difficult now, but after some time it will become easy. Once you understand, once we discuss, then it becomes easy.
Yes,
so, beginning it may look something difficult to understand. Not like that. We'll see in the next class. We'll discuss this.
Thank you.
Dhanyawad Guruji.
Dhanyawad Guruji.
Dhanyawad.